Hello, guys. I'm going to talk to you about transportation station number two for the Industrial Revolution re-engagement. If you look on the far right side where this map's at railroads in 1840 and 1860, it shows you obviously where most of the railroads are being built at. You have to remember that the North was based on an industrial society. Factories, a lot of factories were being built. They were making a lot of product there. Where you look in the South, there's not as many railroads in the South, but they were more of an agricultural society. Their big um, cash crop was cotton. And so that was a very labor intense crop. Therefore, they had slaves working in the fields for that there. If you look on the far left side, you have the different types of methods to move things around. You have roads, canals, steamboats, railroads. It shows the average speed of each type of transportation. And then on the far right side, it shows the shipping cost. Make sure you're careful. For example, look at steamboats. Steamboats is 0.007, which it would be about, it would less than a cent per ton per mile. The United States government was able to build all these railroads across various states because of the need to move things much quicker and get it to different businesses or people much faster. And the way they were able to do that and bypass all the various state laws was the landmark Supreme Court case of Maryland, McCulloch versus Maryland. And in that, the Supreme Court declared that the United States government had implied powers, powers that are not specifically listed in the Constitution, as well as those listed in the Constitution. And as long as what is passed is not forbidden by the Constitution, it is allowed if it helps the federal government fulfill its powers as stated in the Constitution. So this McCulloch versus Maryland decision provided a way for the federal government to expand their roles to meet an ever-changing world. For example, things in 1840 and 1860, they had to build railroads to get things to people, to businesses faster. So McCulloch versus Maryland provided a way for them to bypass the various state laws.